Friends, today's story is about Britain's air defence and how a key system that should already be flying is still stuck on the ground. On the 12th of August 2025, members of Parliament raised the alarm. The RAF's E-7 Wedgetail surveillance aircraft program is delayed once again. This aircraft was supposed to replace the retired E-3D Sentry back in 2021, but 4 years later, Britain still doesn't have an operational airborne early warning plane of its own. So what went wrong, and why does this delay matter so much? Let's break it down. The E-7 Wedgetail is essentially a Boeing 737 with one major superpower, its massive MESA radar. It can scan the skies for hundreds of miles in every direction, detect enemy aircraft, missiles, even surface ships, and coordinate friendly fighters in real time. Think of it as Britain's eyes in the sky, the nerve centre for air battles. The first Wedgetail was supposed to enter service in 2023. Now, in mid-2025, not one of the 3 aircraft is certified for military use. So, why has this taken so long? MPs and defence officials have pointed to several factors. Problems with contractor performance, mainly involving Boeing and its supply chain. Global shortages of parts and skilled workers after COVID, and more recently tougher certification requirements, especially after the 737 MAX crisis, which changed the approval process for modifications. The UK's Infrastructure and Projects Authority has now rated the programme as red, meaning high risk to cost, timeline and capability. This isn't just a small inconvenience, it's a strategic problem. Without airborne early warning aircraft, Britain's ability to detect incoming threats at long range is badly weakened. Fixed ground radar stations can be destroyed or jammed in wartime, but AEW and C aircraft can move, reposition and cover much larger areas. Conservative MP John Cooper warned about a credibility gap in UK air defence. Labour's Tandesi called the delay wholly inadequate. Until then, Britain will keep relying on NATO AWACS planes from countries like the US and France to plug the gap. For now, the focus is on getting the current 3 Wedgetails through test and evaluation, so they can reach initial operating capability in 2026. In any conflict, the side that controls the air picture controls the fight. Wedgetails can detect enemy aircraft hundreds of miles before they reach UK airspace. So to sum up, the Wedgetail delay isn't just a procurement headache. It's a capability crisis. Britain needs these aircraft operational, not on paper, but until then, the UK's eyes in the sky remain shut. And that's a risk no modern military should accept. That's it for today. Stay informed and I'll see you in the next one.